If you want to find the screen recorder on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, first of all we need to go to the control center. Let's go to the control center, and then over here we can try to find the screen recorder. So let's see, there we go. In my case it is here, so you might find it in a similar spot. So now we can just tap on the screen recorder. Before we start recording, we have several options. We can choose to record the entire screen or just a single app. And here we can also choose what audio we want to record, whether we want to record the microphone or system sound or both or nothing. We can also show or hide the camera as well as the touches that you have on the screen. So if you press record, then we have the countdown. As you can see, we have some additional options as well, so you can use them. You can unfold them by pressing this arrow. And that's pretty much all. So you can tap on this red square in order to stop the recording, and then you should be able to get the notification as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.